Okay, do a quick rundown here of some spot charts here. Had a look for recently natural gas. Okay, natural gas. I'm going to assume that this is the low for right now. At best, working on a sideways pattern. Okay, but also an inverted head and shoulders. Okay. If by chance we're back down under S2 here, okay, for February, I'll go back to writing naked puts again to add to longs. And for me, as prices go this way, I go further out, start looking at, you know, next winter's contracts, October, September, October, November, December, that kind of thing, on any, say if there's a five pattern one more time through here. Be more than interested in looking for further out contracts. For, like I said, at best right now we have a larger sideways pattern with an inverted head and shoulders. Here's a weekly. Okay. Back in July of 14, that was when I said I thought natural gas was on its way to 97 cents. I just said 97 cents. To get attention, the low is, I think, 102 back in 91, 92. And prices came through in April of last year when we got down to this area, when everyone was beginning to talk about the El Nino and so forth. I knew that they'd be sliding in, they'd be literally selling into a period when usually we're at the other end of the spectrum. Here's December, January, and February of 13 and 14. Okay, so this is what usually happens, okay, for natural gas. And this is what they did to it. So as soon as April rolled around through here, I was interested in getting long natural gas. Let them sell into it. Go for it. Go. It's kind of like when do you want to buy heating oil, in July or in February, that kind of thing. So if they're selling it, I'd be more than happy to take it off their hands and go forward. If this should hold, the best part about the sideways is in theory, if you bust out through here, you're going to buy it. Okay, and I'd press up here, up to 4. There's a gap here around 340, 360 area, that 20-cent range. Okay, in theory, if you go through here, you want to short it, but now we're back. What are you going to do? Sell it to zero? Things can happen. I've seen sugar go down to a penny and a half on the last trading day. They just didn't have anywhere to put it. That's the thing. No matter what, the person was going to make delivery. For if it was outside or already inside the storage, what have you. So I've seen, it can do it if it really wanted to. If somebody's pinched, the same way that you can have wheat go from $8 to $25. It just, some people get a little too stubborn for their pocketbook. All right, but if natural gas should break out across up in here, I assume it's going to go up into this area. If it comes back down through here, I'd be more interested in buying distant contracts. For winter of 16, 17, I don't see anything but back to normal. And so natural gas may end up just doing this if by chance it moves up to here, say 3.25, and just hangs through here all of next year or all of this year. Just hangs out in this area. But if it clips through here, try and press it up to here. Try and, hang on, if you're in. And if it comes back through, I'm interested in buying distant contracts. And on a monthly, same thing. Basically, we got a hammer down here. Bigger picture, it's back into the trading range, the sideways in here. To me, natural gas has basically been going sideways since 08 and 09 when it clipped through here, basically sideways. Jabbed through, come through here. In theory, it should work its way up into this area, but this may take until the winter of 1819, every 4 years or so. You know, just like El Nino and La Nina. All right, so this we may have this trading range for 16, this trading range for 17, and then back up into here for 18, 19, that kind of thing. All right, so there you go.